Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you about family bonds, and especially in dealing with DCF. And I wanted to share a particular story that we had on one of our cases. And in particular, the DCF became involved with the family, specifically regarding one particular child. That child ended up going into foster care because that child had certain mental health needs that were difficult to maintain at home. And one of the things that I thought was interesting was that DCF was focused on that child and the child's mother, but never looked at the fact that that child came from a family. There was a stepdad, there were siblings, and I often pushed for the social worker to look at services that help the whole family. And that is one of the things that we like to do here at the Christie Law Firm, which makes us a bit different from other firms, is that we're not just focused on the case at hand and the facts at hand, but we're also focused on what will life be like after DCF. What will life be like when these kids are now in their 30s? What is the relationship going to be like when they're older and they have their own children? Or, how are they able to relate to their parents? And what we do is often encourage parents to understand that you will always be mom and dad. You will always be mom and mom. You will always be this child's parent, regardless of how old they are. So let's do things now that helps for that future family. And family bonds are so important. And in this particular case, I actually had to force the social worker to interview the other children at home, who then expressed their own concerns, their own fears, their own worries. And so it really, highlighted the fact that this wasn't just one child's issue with mom, but this was a family affair, that the family needed to be help. The family needed healing. And so whenever you're dealing with DCF, don't let them isolate you. Don't let them isolate you from your spouse or the other parent or the other children. Make sure that whatever they're doing, it's holistic, because again, family is family. Those family bonds don't go anywhere. Regardless of DCF's intervention, they don't go anywhere. They're so important. So if you ever need assistance in dealing with DCF or pushing them to offer services that really support the family as a whole, please don't hesitate to contact us. We also have lots of other videos regarding dealing with DCF and also family court. We just want to be here to help families. Even if you're unable to hire us, we at least want to provide information so that you can walk into these situations having some knowledge, having some background. Take care.